वेकेशन जाने की तैयारी में हो, शॉपिंग करनी है, पर पहले ये सुनो, इससे आपके बहुत पैसे बच जाएंगे।
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Every time that you think of planning your vacation, the first thing that comes to your mind is your credit card. रहने का खर्चा, flight bookings, खाने का खर्चा, everything is taken care by that credit card. Let's assume you spend 1 lakh rupees on a vacation and you decide not to pay that amount right away in the same monthly cycle, but you will split it over time. And you decide to pay the bill over 4 months. Then you would be paying 1,14,000 to the credit card company. The credit card company will charge you 2.5 to 3.5% interest on a monthly basis. Yes, you heard it right. Instead, if you plan the same vacation of 1 lakh over 12 months time, then start a SIP of 8,050 rupees and you will be able to achieve that corpus. Whenever you plan your travel, you will have a good time with your family and it won't burn a hole in your pocket. Connect with me. I'm Harshada Singh, Certified Financial Planner.